What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Doing a quick another POV drive. Just went to Starbucks, got some, it's Saturday, day off, got a Java chip frappuccino large, and I got a chocolate cookie. We're about to strap up and throw this phone on my forehead and go for a nighttime drive. So hope you guys enjoy. If you do, leave a like. If you're new, subscribe, and welcome to the channel. And yeah, guys, enjoy the content. It's a little chilly, but I opened the windows, so hopefully you guys can hear it a little bit more. These are, I'm not sure if you can see them, because I can't really see what you guys see, but these are my lights here. This is the remote for them, where you guys asked me, what is this remote for? So I can get different colors like that. This camera doesn't pick up too much at night, but I'm not sure if you can see them changing colors. Yeah, that's what that remote is for. So yeah. Most of the time I'm not in the mood for what is it, music, so I'd rather just hear car sounds and enjoy the gears. And I really wanted to floor it here. It sounds amazing under this bridge, but there's this pedestrian walking right there, so I don't want to be that guy, honestly. I wouldn't feel too good about that. Just with this on my head. go. Well guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. If you're new, subscribe, leave a like and comment. It helps out the channel and I love hearing from you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next upload. I'm about to go enjoy, before I crash, I'm about to go enjoy my Starbucks and edit this video and work on something else I have to do today too, work related. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace out, have a good day, and yeah, stay happy, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, whoever's watching this video. But yeah guys, have a great day today, enjoy your night, chase your dreams, and yeah, I'll see you in the next upload. Peace out.